It's it's very, very faint.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, it's better now. Thank you.
Okay, maybe I'll just use, I don't know, maybe my earpiece, something's happening to it. Okay, so we're going to go through, we're going to check out GBP AUD. We have a scan pattern for GBP AUD. Now, this is how you confirm your trade. So once you have this Harmonic scanner, you can go through and you can see the pairs you want to, you don't need to trade all the pairs, find out one good one or two, confirm them and take them. So we have this pattern for GBP AUD. So we're going to see how it plays out on the 4-hour time frame. I'll send to the group. On the 4-hour time frame, so let's see how it goes. Let's check it out. So go to my trading view. I want to, this definitely is going to retrace. I know that. I'm going to pull back, I mean. So we'll check out, let's start from the, let's just go to the daily. Or let's start from the weekly. Weekly time frame. Switch back to my, switch to the line chart. I have to shout since I'm not using my earpiece. Okay, switch the line chart. Then what we're looking for, basic confirmation, support and resistance. So I'm going to be checking on the weekly. I have one here. I have another one here. Okay, it's like a zone. You can see head and shoulder, something like head. Okay, all right. So I have one there. Then I'll just go to the one below. I have one here. Then I have one here. Can you guys hear me? You should be able to hear me now. Okay. All right. So on the weekly, that's what we have. Then I'm going to mark up now. I'll just mark up the next level just in case price decides to still go back up. So we can look at the next target. Should price break above this level? So I'm going to mark this up here. I have another zone here. Okay, so I'll mark up my zone. Now, when your money scan patterns, you see them, you don't just take the trade like that. You have to do your confirmation. It's only showing you a setup, a trade setup. A trade setup doesn't mean it's ready. And sometimes some of them might fail. Not all the patterns play out, but a high probability, a high percentage them usually play out. Okay, so we have this. Then on the weekly, great. I'll go to my daily time frame and I'll switch to my candlestick. Now you can see so many. This is a very key area. This is a serious resistance point for this particular price, this particular pair. So what we are expecting, should it, now we have to always have a secondary opinion. Should it break above this, below, close above this? We expect a retest, and then we're going to see GA go up to the next zone. But anyways, for now, we're looking at the 4-hour time frame. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame and check it out from there. Okay, so we have this, it's still within the zone, and the harmonic is telling us to sell. So for this particular pair, what I'll do, I think I'll take from the, pull up my fib, and then I'm going to be expecting this to get either to the 38. Now, from the 4-hour time frame, you can see that it's actually forming a higher high. It's actually forming an uptrend. Sorry. So uptrends are characterized by, it starts from low, this lower high, or sorry, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. This is higher than this previous one. Higher high, higher low. We have another higher high. So we're going to expect another maybe higher low. So we're going to be looking at these retracement levels. I'll be looking at these retracement levels for this 38, 938, the 60, the 50, and then the 61.8. But if you get to the 61.8, that means it's no more a higher high, right? Because this is where we have the other previous one. The other previous one was on the 61. The first one was around the 71. The next one, let me make it bigger so you see. The first one was around the 71 region, 71%. We have another retracement on the 61.8, and then we're expecting maybe to the 30 retracement level, or we're also going to expect to the, what's it called now? Okay, the 50%. So we're going to watch out for this. So this particular trade, I think this will be a good trade we can take. We'll watch out for this proper confirmation. So let me put the price target. So that's what we're going to be watching out for. Okay, so this is our target: 1.76586, 1.75848. Okay, so let's see what the Harmonic gave us for TP1. TP1 1.7663, 1.751. That's actually the 61.8. Like I said, if it goes down to this level, TP2, that means it's 61.8, but it's safer to for you to target your TP1. We always say go for TP1. TP1 is about how many pips now? Let's check it. How many pips? That's from here. Let's say from here. From here to here, we have about that's about 176 pips. That's massive. Yeah, about 176 pips. It hits TP1. Our TP1 here is even 205. So within this range, anyway. So GA, we're going to look at. Let's look at, for those of you that want to take it. Let's look at the sell stop. This is 4 hour. Let's check the 1 hour for a better entry price. Okay, let's look at a sell stop. Let's put it below this other candle. So let's look at 1.78208 for this particular trade. That we're going to look at 1.7. I'll just draw the line. 1.78154. Is your risk management, and then we're looking at our TP. We're looking at TP here. TP1 and TP2. That's what we're looking at for our own TP1 and TP2. Now the one Harmonic gave is quite easy here. That's that means we're going to see an end to the uptrend that is forming on the 4 hour time frame. But this is a setup we have for this particular pair. So take a sell stop, and then we're going to check it out how it plays out. Higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Especially not higher low, then maybe a higher high or a break. It goes back down to the next zone. So we're going to watch to see how that plays out. Let's see. Okay, so that's that for G. We have another one we're going to be checking out. We're going to look at AUD card. We're looking at AUD card. That's pending. Okay, Euro GBP on the 4 hour. Euro GBP is confirmed. So let's check out. Let's verify Euro GBP. Although we had the trade for this yesterday, if you took this sell stop, you should have been in some massive profit. We had Euro GBP sell stop yesterday. But this is amazing. Sell stop from here, we have already we have 86 pips. It's crazy. 86 pips. 1 day's go. This is amazing. Euro GBP 86 pips. Okay, so this pair is already gone. But we're still expecting a further drop. So I'm going to expect a pullback. It just broke down back this zone. So we can expect a pullback, a retest rather, and then a drop. So let's see, the scanner gave, let's see what was on the scanner. We sent this trade yesterday. We sent it to the channel. We sent to all our, even the grind and go community. We sent it there. Those who took advantage of it, well, congratulations. Those who didn't, there'll be another trade. There will always be another trade. That's it. I don't know where to put this. Stop loss, use the 30 pip stop loss. Or use your own risk management. Now, if you want, for those of you that are new, I recommend you go to the grind and go. The other plan we have, which is the Think Smart, the Smart Forex plan, is for those who already know what they are doing. So they'll just see a chart and then they can interpret it. And for those that want to use their money scanner as well. So we're not going through the basics in the other plan, but the grind and go will take you from the basic. We have time to answer questions like what are pips, how do I set my stop loss and all that. So you get that one on the Signal channel, you get stop loss, you get take profit. But on the other one is not so. Once in a while we can do that, but that's not how that plan is going to run. Okay, so on Euro GBP. Okay, so what do we have here on this time frame? I hope you guys can still hear me. You should be able to hear me. On this, let's see. Okay, on the 1 hour, Euro GBP has played out. At least at hit TP1, I can see it retracing, pulling back rather. So we're going to skip this. Let's go to AU. Let's check out AUD card. Okay, AUD card, we got, okay, no, we didn't take this trade yesterday, but I think this is a good trade. AUD card. Although it crossed, the pattern didn't play out well, but it's still a valid pattern. It's still a valid pattern. So AUD card on the, what time frame? Let's check it out. We have, okay, the pending pattern. We have a pending pattern on the R4. So the ones that confirmed, you see them under the status. That's, we have AUD CHF confirmed. Sorry, pending, Euro NZD pending, GBP, and Euro GBP. So these are the ones we are focused on. We have AUD card pending, CAD JPY, CAD JPY. Let's check that out. I think that's already playing out already. CAD JPY on R4. We're expecting a sell for this pair. It's still pushing up a bit, but we're expecting a sell on it. Euro NZD is a pending pattern on 4 hour. Euro NZD is a pending pattern on the 4 hour. Okay, we have GU. So let's head over to GU and check. GU on the, an alert just came for GU on the 1 hour time frame. Template Harmonic pattern collection. So this is what we have for GU. It's still not really fully ready, but this is the pattern we have for GU. So I'm going to send it to the group. You can watch it on your own. But I've just shown you what we're going to do on this live TV for the Harmonic. We're just going to show you how you can confirm your trades. For now, we've taken GA. We'll see if there's another one. We have NZCAD. NZCAD. We took this trade yesterday, but it came back down after some moving some pips. So NZCAD, exhaustion. For this trade, so you can take a buy stop. Put the buy stop at 0.861, 0.86095. While we're doing that, I'm going to check the pair on my own metaphor. Let me confirm it. So it's on the 1 hour time frame. Let's remark this particular pair. So GA and NZCAD will look at taking these two trades once confirmed. So weekly. Now you can see a simple way you can just confirm your trade. Go to the weekly, mark out your key levels, your resistance, and your okay. So the weekly, I'll mark out my zone there. The system is acting up. Sorry. Mark out my zone. Yeah. I have one here. One here. So I'll mark up the next one just in case price falls below. So we'll look at our next target, what we're going to be expecting. Next level price, we're expecting price to get to. By now, I expect to be seeing you guys sending your charts to check for pairs. Don't just rely on copying and pasting signals alone. No. You need to teach this to your children. This is the last pair we're going to analyze, and then that will be the end for the session for today. So I'll just upload this on the YouTube channel for those who missed it. So basically, once you get the patterns, you get the pair you want to check out, you go to your MT4 or your trading view. You just go and mark it up and see, is it ready? You should have some basic information you have to look out for before you take a trade. So we have this for the daily within the zone right now. Okay, so let's switch back to our candlestick. Now on this on the daily, this is lower high, lower low, lower high. It failed to make a lower low. So I'm not looking at this downtrend continuing like that on the daily. I'll have to check. That will be another class because my battery is running out right now. Okay, so NZD, let's check. I'll check it for you and send to the group once the power is back on. On the 1 hour, NZD. Yes, definitely this impulsive move. We're expecting a retracement at least to the this is not a pair I really trade, at least to the, let's say 38 to the 61 or 70 1% level. So can expect a retracement up to here, and then we can see how it goes from there. So this one, for this particular one, is just 1 hour time frame, not a long-term trade. You can set a buy stop above the current price. Set a buy stop, use your risk management, 30 pip stop loss. If you use 40, fine. If you use 50, fine. But you have to check your risk to reward. How many pips are you getting? Are you expecting to get from the trade? So this particular pair, I think it's good to go from what I can see. You can even take a market execution on this trade. I think you can. So you can take a market execution on this trade, NZDCAD. I'll send that to the group. This proper. All right, so we're good to go. So we have a GA and we have NZDCAD. So we're going to see how these two pairs they play out. Remember, maximum you should have open is 3. Don't rush nothing. Set your trap and let the market come to you. All right. So we're going to have another session again. We'll announce that in the group. For those of you in the group, and then we'll continue from there. So for those of you on our premium channel, we'll update the trade and then we'll see how it goes later on. Thank you very much. You can ask your questions in the group, please. Thank you.